In this video, we're going to explore how AI tools can assist us in Xcode and make our development process more efficient. We'll be looking at two powerful tools, Xcode's predictive code completion and ChatGPT, and comparing how they perform in real scenarios. In the name of God, hi everyone. Today we're diving into an exciting experiment. We'll explore how AI tools can assist us in Xcode and make our development process more efficient. We'll see how Xcode's predictive code completion stacks up against the mighty ChatGPT. Let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, I start by writing the problem description directly in Xcode Playground, just as a comment to set the stage for what we're tackling. Xcode's predictive code completion jumps in, trying to help me out right from the start. All I have to do is wait a moment and press Tab. Fantastic! It's pretty cool to see how Xcode suggests entire piece of the code step by step as I type a line. Once I get the full code completed by Xcode's suggestions, it's time to put it to the test. I copy the code over to LeetCode to see if it actually works. And surprise, surprise, it does. But not everything is perfect. Although the solution is correct, it's not exactly the most efficient. In fact, I notice it runs slower than some other solutions people have shared on the platform. So we need to step up our game. This is where things get even more interesting. I decide to bring in ChatGPT, specifically the ChatGPT app with access to Xcode. I give ChatGPT access to Xcode, and now it can actually see my Xcode editor, which is pretty awesome. ChatGPT can view the playground file just as I can. I ask it to solve the problem, and it generates the code. But here's the twist. It writes the code in its own interface, not directly into Xcode. So, unlike Xcode's predictive completion, I have to manually copy ChatGPT's solution back into Xcode. But here's the cool part. The solution from ChatGPT is much better. It's more optimized, and I can immediately tell it's an improvement over what Xcode suggested. To take it one step further, I select the solution generated by Xcode's predictive completion and ask ChatGPT to optimize it. ChatGPT analyzes the code and makes several optimizations that significantly improved its efficiency and readability, even reducing the time complexity from ON3 to ON2. It's nice to have these tools working together, right? Now I just need to copy the code from the ChatGPT app to the Xcode editor manually, and that's it. We see how Xcode and ChatGPT each have their strengths. Xcode can help you get started quickly, but ChatGPT really shines when it comes to optimization and digging deeper into the logic. However, it's important to remember that relying too heavily on AI to solve problems can be harmful. Solving these problems ourselves sharpens our minds and keeps us actively engaged in problem solving. If we always let AI do the work, we risk making our minds lazy. That said, using AI to learn the structure of an algorithm and understand its components can be incredibly beneficial. So, we need to be mindful of how we use AI, using it as a learning tool for writing boilerplate code or for optimizing code rather than as a crutch. By the way, I've linked another video for you. It provides an in-depth analysis comparing two solutions we explored here. If you are interested in the step-by-step explanation of how the algorithm works, be sure to check it out. There's also another video about using GitHub Copilot inside Xcode, which is fantastic. If you enjoyed this experiment and want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which tool you prefer, or if you've got any other cool ideas for AI assistant coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.